This is Dr. Solar, coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. Right now, diesel is selling for around 1,800 naira per liter. For many homes and businesses, that is no longer sustainable every day. You are asking yourself, how much fuel do I need today? Can I afford to run the generator all day? And what happens if the price increases again? This is no longer just about power. It is about survival. Let's break it down. A typical home or business uses between 20 and 50 liters per day. At 1,800 naira per liter, that is between 36,000 and 90,000 naira every single day in 1 month. That can reach up to 2.7 million naira on fuel alone. And that does not include maintenance, repairs, or downtime. This is not power, it is a liability. Now compare that with solar. No fuel, no noise, no smoke, just clean, reliable energy from the sun. Once installed, your system works for you every single day. This is not an expense, it is an investment. At AWPS Renewable Energy, we install SIG energy systems. Siegen Store and Siegen Stack are not ordinary solar systems. They are designed for intelligent energy management. The system learns your usage patterns. It adjusts automatically. It prioritizes your critical loads. And it reduces energy waste. This is not just solar. This is smart energy. Many people ask, is solar reliable? The answer is yes, when it is designed properly. Our systems come with a 10-year warranty. That means long-term protection, peace of mind, and confidence in your investment. No daily fueling, no breakdown stress. You move from uncertainty to control. Every day you run on diesel, you are spending money you will never recover. But with solar, you are building an asset. Diesel gives you stress. Solar gives you control. Diesel is noise and cost. Solar is comfort and silence. The choice is no longer technical, it is economic. If you are ready to take control of your power, contact AWPS Renewable Energy. Visit www.awsre.com. Let us design your energy future. This is Dr. Solar signing out from Lagos, Nigeria.